So if you're watching this video, this is an explanation of the requirements of Assessment Task 4. Assessment Task 4 is writing a 16-bar percussion part for your original arrangement. By this stage, you'll be in groups of 4, and you will have chosen the arrangement or the person's arrangement that you wish to do for the performance that we're going to do in week 10. The assessment task is basically, as a group, all of you are responsible for writing the percussion part for the person's piece that you've chosen. Having written that, you'll all notate it into Sibelius on your own composition. So you're going to write for one person's composition, and then all of you can put that same part into your own compositions and hand it up as the assessment task. And I'll show you how to be able to do that in Sibelius in another video. So you're going to use traditional notation. Traditional notation is crotchets, quavers, semibreves, minims, dotted minims, and their rests, and all of the other traditional notation that we have used throughout the year to notate any composition. To make that easier, if you click on the link in iLearn to Rhythm Examples Percussion part, it'll take you to a table of all of the rhythms that we've used in class, their names, and then their French time names in the middle here to help you help further work out what the rhythms are. So if you click on that link in iLearn, it's under Rhythm Examples Percussion part. It'll take you to that particular percussion part so you know what you're writing, you know what you're using, and how much each note's worth. So you draft those ideas. Any ideas you come up with, you draft onto the percussion part template that I've handed you. You must do this in pencil. You've got to show evidence of pre-planning before going into Sibelius and just jumping in and not knowing what you want to do. So like everything we've done, draft your ideas as a group. Each of you should come up with a draft idea of your own and then put them together and then come up with the best ideas for the performance that you wish to, or that you are going to perform. You're going to have 2 sections, A and B. That's pretty easy on your charts because you've labeled them, A and B. Each of those sections is 2 bars long, or is 8 bars long, sorry. And each section has got to be contrasted. So just like your A melody and your B melody that you wrote last week, your percussion part should have an A percussion rhythm and a B percussion rhythm. There should be a little bit of variety in there, but not so much variety that it sounds crazy and sounds messy. So a little bit of variety in amongst all those parts. You should be able to vary the concepts of music as much as possible. So the pieces that have a little bit of dynamic variation, that have a little bit of texture variation, that have a little bit of tone color variation, those sorts of things are the compositions that will obviously score better in the assessment. So make as much effort as you can in your arrangements to put in dynamic markings, to put in articulation markings, so on and so forth. Once you've written all of that, I'll have another video up that shows you how to put all of the final arrangements into Sibelius and then how you extract that arrangement and hand it up as your assessment. If you have any other questions, please come and see me about it and I'll do my best to explain what I haven't explained in the video.